Hey everybody, my name's Tom and today we are going to be taking a look at a rather unique tripod. Quite a while back I was sent another unit from the same company, same product, just a little bit smaller. I'm talking about the Octopus.camera Octopad. The original unit was a little bit smaller, you can see it right here. I use it quite a bit with my mobile phone. But this video is all about the unboxing. So let's open this guy up and take a closer look at what we got. Okay guys, so here we are. As you can see, Octopad XL. It's a wide footprint support base. I call it a tripod because, let's be honest, it's a tripod. This is the smaller guy right here. Let me take off the selfie stick and show you. It actually doesn't look that much bigger, but let me assure you it definitely is.
That's what she said.
I'm actually excited about this guy. As I mentioned, it's my priority mobile phone tripod. I love using this guy to make TikToks. It's nice. Little screw right on the bottom. If you want, you can put on a ball head, and it's super sturdy. I love it. I can only imagine that this guy is going to be that much better. So as you can see, the packaging is just plastic, clear, nothing crazy. Much like this model right here, it does include a removable ball head, and it shows you a couple things like won't tip, won't lose suction, won't collapse. These are shots at all the other tripod companies out there. So let's open this guy up and take a peek. I can't be the only person that dislikes packages like this, but here we are. So inside of our package, we have our Octopad, we have our removable ball head, and we have some instructions. Basic instructions telling us don't overload the Octopad, be careful if it does slip, using a vehicle, caring for the Octopad, counterbalance, information. Great. So as you guys can see, this one is branded Octopad XL by Octopus Cameras out of New York, USA. This guy right here, you can now see it's significantly smaller, probably comparable by the base. We have to remove this. This is just a paper. Significantly more surface area on this guy. It's nice. It's still that non-slip pad. Really, really cool. It's actually the same ball head as well. I've gotten a lot of use out of this guy. It works really well for it not being a super fancy ball head, tightens really, really good, and does not slip. It's actually pretty quality. We're gonna take this guy out for a second and just take a look at the main Octopad XL though. Much like its little brother, it has a cable management flap that velcros down right up here. There isn't a carabiner hole like there is on the little brother, which I use quite a bit actually to hook to a bag, or if I'm kind of overpacked. It was nice to be able to hook it to something. It's also got a little flap for Octopus cameras right there, and that's it. This guy is hefty for sure, so let's weigh him. This guy comes in at 2 pounds 1.1 ounces. He's a big boy. The little brother comes in at 1 pound 9.4 ounces. The Octopad is nearly 7.5 inches across, always, because circle.
That's quite big. Impressive.
And stands only about 1.25 inches wide. I really do think a tripod like this is ideal for somebody that does mobile creating with a cell phone, a selfie stick, because it's so low profile. I will say that if you do decide to buy this and you do want it to be a primary for something like a DSLR or a more heavy camera, I highly suggest looking into a more quality ball head. If you do decide to use a third party or another company's ball head, do know that you might need an adapter, as the Octopad has a standard 1/4 20 bolt on the bottom. So that's what this guy is on both of them. But once on there, it is wonderful. If you guys look closely, you'll see that the actual bolt is kind of propped up by maybe a 1/4 inch riser right here. Even when I'm using, say, a selfie stick that screws into the bolt, I have noticed that there's a little bit of wobble. It's just something to take into consideration if you are definitely going to be using this as a primary tripod. But that's going to wrap us unboxing this Octopus camera Octopad XL. Whew, that was a mouthful.
That's what she said.
If you guys want a more in-depth look at the Octopus camera Octopad lineup, be sure to watch this video right here. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more tech you actually use reviews, unboxings, and overviews. I'm Tom. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.